If you're looking to build a house on a large lot, this might be a community for you. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm out here in the Sabal Estates neighborhood. This is a new neighborhood being developed by KB Home, and it's located in St. Augustine, within the community of St. Augustine Shores. Here at the Sabal Estates, you're gonna have nice large lots with the average lot measuring about 80-foot frontage and 130 feet deep. One of the many nice things about this neighborhood is that KB is not building the homes up to the setback in between the property lines, so you're going to have nice space in between your neighbors. Now, this neighborhood does not have a CDD and does have a low HOA of $31 a month, and this community does offer a lot of amenities like playgrounds, tennis courts, and they do have a fishing pier that overlooks the Matanzas River, and also a clubhouse and pool. And residents can buy into these amenities for an additional $200 a year. So very low association fees. And here at Sabal Estates, you can purchase to be built, so you can build from scratch, or you have opportunity to purchase a quick move-in as well. And base pricing here starts in the high 300s, low 400s. And pricing for quick move-ins at this time are in the 400s. Some of the amenities that will be featured within Sabal Estates include a dog park and a park. So here at Sabal Estates, once completed, there's going to be about 269 single-family homes. And home size here ranges from approximately 1,500 square feet to about 2,700 square feet. And the floor plans offer 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths. All right, so some quick POI, points of interest here at Sabal Estates. You're not far from the beach, so Butler Beach, Crescent Beach, you're gonna be about 10 minutes out. And then you're gonna be about 20 minutes from the historic downtown St. Augustine area. There you're gonna find, of course, a lot of historic sites, but you're gonna find a lot of shops, restaurants. It's a great place to hang out. And Sabal Estates is also conveniently located to the 95 and the A1A. Now, these homes that I've been filming are the model houses, and I have videoed all of them, so be sure to check out the videos. All right, so this is the Sabal Estates neighborhood here at St. Augustine Shores. If you're interested in knowing more, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.